Good morning, happy homeowners. Here we are. Morning, everybody. This over here, we're in Newport Beach, and this is day 2 of staining this Brazilian cherry wood. Okay, so let's take a look. It's what they got done yesterday. Got all the natural wood. Looks like the customers already picked their color and their stain. Oh, excuse the noise. We got our putty here. All right, so pretty much the homeowner decided to go with an ebony stain. So they're gonna be staining everything with ebony, and they're gonna be going with the matte finish. So should look pretty good once it's all said and done. But you guys got to see how quick we actually work, and got the whole thing sanded yesterday. Today they're just kind of taking the putty off, whatever, fill all those holes that we can. But I'll do another update sometime later on today, and we'll take another look. Everybody have a great day.